What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are here hanging out with Shane and the girlfriend, and we're gonna have another G35 guy coming by that I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you to. Today we're kind of just hanging out, having some micheladas, some what? Some krew. What's that? Fruit? Krew. Sure. We're working on the G35 today, and also a little bit with the rear lip kit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that in just a minute. I want to finish up a little bit more before I show you guys. But hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers. While you're down there, smash that thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the rear lip when I do show you it.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking.
I don't really drink, so I got my wrist.
Excuse you, we're filming a YouTube video.
Thank you, Shane. I appreciate that. So I don't really drink much, so I'm going to be drinking this brisk iced tea, half and half. It's really good. I recommend it.
You're not howling.
Huh?
It's okay.
Is he howling? So I've been working on the rear lip kit, guys, for a few days now, and I kind of wanted to do this. Whoa, you guys can't see me. There we go. I kind of wanted to do this one off camera, but I had the new addition to the bumper, and that's the reason why I couldn't really mold it to the bumper in the last video. So it looks pretty sick. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks really good. It's for the most part done. I just have to figure out a couple of other small little details, but let me go ahead and just show you guys that real quick. As you guys know, you're not a G35 owner unless you have this. Every G35 guy has this on their bumper, and usually they just kind of just mount it up and they call it quits. Well, I wanted to take that extra step and try to make it look as factory as possible. So this is what I came up with. I actually went ahead and cut it out, body worked it, and all of that stuff. So now this will sit in the back pretty much like that, and it's gonna look pretty sick. Oh my god, I like it. That's gonna look so good. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Hey, whose mans is this? Ah, I love it. Comment down below, what do you guys think of sedans? Sick. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How's it going? Yeah, good, man. So this is the new friend, guys. You guys are gonna start seeing more of him in the channel for sure, and he's building a pretty clean G35 coupe, right? Turboing it.
Single turbo.
Single turbo, it's gonna be dope. You guys are definitely gonna be seeing that in the channel very soon. You wanna go ahead and introduce yourself real quick?
So, my name's Danny. I came across your channel actually by the car wash. That's how I knew that you stayed where you're at.
That's funny.
But other than that, I mean, the car's dope.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. What's your Instagram? You don't? Do you have an Instagram, right? I don't remember.
I don't have social media.
You don't have social media. That's right. Okay. He doesn't have social media, but you guys will definitely be seeing more of this build. Well, do you have more plans with this? You said you're giving it to your girl, right?
We'll see.
We'll see.
I have plans to just go full bolt-ons after the coupe. Maybe eventually down the road, put some bags on it too.
Hell yeah.
So,
but the coupe though, I'm looking forward to that. I still need to come by the shop. Yep. That's gonna be sick.
Block's ready, the heads are ready. Pistons I think just came in, so
dude,
ready.
you guys are gonna just wait for it. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait.
there is.
Dude, this thing sounds bad, dude. I love it. Just a little revvy rev. Huh?
All I've done is intake.
All right, guys, we're gonna do a little startup. This thing sounds beast. Single exhaust. That shit sounds so good. Okay, okay. See why I want to go single exhaust, guys?
Right.
Fuck, that shit sounds so good. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Guys, I went ahead and pulled in the car in the garage, but I moved Shane's car, and check out what he has on his steering wheel. This shit's kind of funny, but it's kind of cool at the same time. And comment down below, let me know if I should get one. I think it's pretty neat. Check this out, guys.
That's pretty cool.
You know. Comment down below. That shit's funny. So, right now what we're gonna go ahead and do is, before we fit this officially on, I want to clear out some room on the rear bumper for the exhaust, for the wiring, for the third brake light. So I'm a little sad to do this, but what I'm gonna do right now is this is gonna get cut out. I don't want to, but I'm going to. So we're just gonna go ahead and just cut all along right here, probably right there. Just get it all cut out.
Walmart, Huntington?
Can you see anything?
Sure.
Yeah, I felt it go in. Can you see anything? If not, maybe it came out.
No.
It came out then. That or it's far in there.
Oh, I hope not.
Yeah. What's up, buddy? Damn, dude, I fucked up. I accidentally cut part of the bumper that wasn't supposed to be cut, but you won't see it anyways. Oh, this hurts, guys. Oh, am I JDM as fuck now, huh? Alright, guys. I'm gonna send it and get all of this cut off, and I cut a little bit right here on accident, but good thing is it bolts up here, so you're not gonna see any of that. There it is, guys. It's a race car now. Race car.
Rice car.
What?
Rice car.
Rice car? Wow, thanks. Cool, cool. So, got my dog a beer. You want a beer, buddy? Yeah? This is the coolest thing ever.
Shane had one for people. Like a Corona.
Get it.
Feels like a root beer.
They had Heineken too.
They have Heineken.
Shane had like a Corona one.
Get your beer.
And he would always squeak it.
Does he still have them?
Fucking yeah. Shane fucking ripped out the squeaker. And made so annoyed with it.
That's what we did.
Don't, why are you looking?
I'm not looking at it, just saw it.
You,
Did you just call them those red little rocks?
he called it a red rocket.
Red Rocket?
Hey,
Hey,
come
well,
here.
Never had that one before.
You've heard that, right?
Really? That's too funny. Huh?
Little fucking rev limiter action.
I cannot wait to go single, dude. Shit's gonna sound beast. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's the new homie. So you guys are gonna be seeing more of him in the channel. We're gonna be checking out his build very soon as well.
Yeah,
She never backs in,
ever.
ever.
I'm like super scared.
You're
He's like
used to
next
it.
to me.
I know, you gotta get used to it for when we go to car shows. You gotta back in.
That's why I was like, I'm gonna just do it. And I did it, and I did a.
You just gotta whip that bitch in.
Wait,
I have to.
how is it? And then, can you do that?
See, you
Yeah,
got it.
it's pretty close, yeah, huh?
Whip it right
Got
in.
it.
That's it.
I'm a professional.
Woody, your turn. Can you back in?
Yeah, he's got it too.
You got it.
All right, you ready?
Yes. Finally.
You got one?
You know that's not your name anymore.
What do you, that's the brand. You got one? My mom has one. I have one. The LS has one. Now you need one.
Why don't you give one to homeboy over here?
Oh, I should have. I didn't even think about it. Danny, if you're watching this, I got you on a sticker if you want one. I got a couple. And if anybody else wants one, comment down below. But get some glass cleaner and a rag, and then let's go. Get up.
I'm chilling.
Wow, so you want me to go do it? Fine, I'll go do it. Alright. So right here, right?
No.
So right there? You like that?
Yeah, that looks nice.
It'll look cool too on a white car, I think.
Is that good?
I think it's straight.
Ooh, yes.
That looks straight. Actually, that's a cool spot. You like it?
Yes, I do.
Yay, oh, you got a sticker now.
Yay!
Alright. Now you just gotta drop this thing already.
I know. Bags.
Yes. I know, exactly. Alright guys, I peeled off my sticker and I put it right there. What do you guys think? Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and then also I went ahead and glued this in. So it's only glued in a couple parts, and then I glued in there. So that's an idea of how it's gonna look. So once it's fully hardened, I'll peel the tape off, and then I'll get like the syringe that attaches to the tip of the glue, and I'll kind of come in and around there, get it all, you know, glued in place, and then on this side, we'll go ahead and start bodyworking it to make it look really good. So, yes, painted this black. Don't know if you guys noticed this. I didn't even show you guys, but nobody's ever gonna see it. But I figured I'd just do it black, make you know, yeah.
Air out, Shane. Air out.
Take that resonator off.
Air out.
If I can find a good station that they're on, I always try and fuck around. Dude, I'm pretty down. Fuck these shorts. Jump for this guy.
This shit's fucking awesome. What is?
Okay, no. No.
He's trying to fight this fool
no.
because he almost tried to cut us off.
Okay, no.
You're so short, bro. Look at tippy toeing over here.
Okay. No, stop.
Can't even see.
That hurts.
And then your arms are like fully extended.
Fuck you.
Little shorty boys. Shorty boys can't drive the 4Runner. But the knob though.
Your seat doesn't go forward. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Your steering not cool though. That shit's scary.
Steering, yeah, it's like this. This much play. Not doing anything.
We're gonna fucking die.
Toyota life.
American.
Can I get a
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, you would have a beer on
Yeah. Pizza acquired. Let's go munch.
you. Let's go munch.
Not much, munch.
Munch.
Let's go much.
Munch.
Much munch.
Munch.
Much munch.
Munch, munch.
Much munch.
Munch, munch.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we ended up eating and I totally forgot to just record everything, but real quick, let me go ahead and show you guys the rear lip kit. It looks really good. So what I did was I put a little bit more glue down, let that dry, and then I put some Bondo hair around the whole seam, and then I'm gonna put more down probably tomorrow when I get home from work, but this is gonna make it that much stronger. So let me show you that real quick. So we got it set up over here, And then we have all of that bongo hair. Yeah, it may not look the prettiest, but you're not gonna see it. So I'll end up putting some more down, and then, you know, when it's ready, I'll start sanding this, getting this all cleaned up, and then that's when I'll start filling this seam in so it actually looks like it's one piece. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, but I'm so hyped for it. I cannot wait for this car to just be done. It's gonna look so good. But that's where I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate it if you guys can smash that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up while you're down there. It really helps me out a lot more than you guys think when you guys hit that thumbs up. So for those of you guys who are always coming back to watching my videos, hitting that thumbs up, thank you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And drop some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys like this type of video where we're kind of just hanging out with the friends and also doing some car stuff, let me know as well down below. And I really want to start creating more content like that. But I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. And until next time, as always, peace out.